This is a look at the all-new 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The Eclipse Cross has a 1.5-liter direct injection turbo engine and is equipped with super all-wheel control. Some standard safety features are blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, and forward collision mitigation. The head-up display makes it easy to check your speed while keeping your eyes on the road. The camera button on the steering wheel gives you access to the multi-view camera system. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross boasts a modern interior along with dual-zone auto climate control, heated steering wheel, heated front and rear leather seats, and auto hold. The touchpad allows you access to the 7-inch smartphone link-thin display audio system. It is also compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The dual-pane power-sliding panoramic sunroof gives you lots of visibility to the outside world. To see this vehicle and others like it, stop by our showrooms in Goshen and Beacon or visit www.healeybrothers.com.